Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the pen maker. Today we have a Slimline Pro pen that we're gonna make. We have the same usual top and bottom and the middle piece. The only difference about the Slimline Pro rather than the Slimline itself or the regular one is that it doesn't have this black line going down. This is a completely different clip for your pocket shirt or shirt pocket, and the difference with the metal coupling or the divider of the two sections here is this is much flatter than it normally is. This is normally a round edge. The Slimline Pro is a flat edge. I actually think this is a cooler pen to work with, so this is going to be extremely awesome on how it's gonna come out. So I'm gonna get set up here like I normally do. Check. All right, systems are on. This is unlocked. We are good to go. Okay, we are done with the cutting phase, so now we are going to have to do some sanding. As soon as I get this stain out of here, set that right there for now. I'm going to clear off some of this dust, and then we will get to the sanding part. I'm going to go up to from 60 grit to 400 grit. And get this apart. All right, let's do this. Alright, sanding is now complete. We can finally move on to polishing, which is my favorite part of this process. So I'm going to just fold this in half. Hamburger style, then hot dog style. Fold the edges on the creases, and voila, we have our template or paper towel. So then we're gonna polish this thing now. It's gonna come out amazing. Okay, this guy is done, so now we can take it off the lathe and start assembling it. So, what I'm going to do is pull this off, make sure this guy is closed. Okay, that is put away. We're going to take this off, remove the bushings, then carefully maneuver these blanks off the lathe. Alright, that's off. And then now we get to take this guy off. Put that right there. Okay, so first things first is that I always do the front part first because that seems to be easier. So now what I'm going to do is put my jig on to help me out. Get this guy over here. I'm going to have my helper with me. This is the jig that I normally do it with slimlines at least. Let's see if this works. And bam, goes in easy peasy and perfectly flush. So now we take this guy, the main mechanism, and put it on next. Shoot, came out accidentally, but that's no problem. Alrighty, that's in. So now we can put this away for now. Put that coupling in like that. The main mechanism will go in right here. But now, for the last part, we're going to take this and shove it in there just like that. Shoot. Okay, in part 2, I will show you the final result. But for now, let's just take a little break, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, break is done. So now we're going to do the final assembly with the top piece and the top section of acrylic. So now we're going to put this guy in, have my helping hand come in as well. Now we're going to just gently maneuver the top hardware into the pen. It's going easy peasy. Perfect. That is in. Oops. Almost fell there. But now, the final phase and the grand finale. 3, 2, 1, and bam. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you my first ever Slimline Pro pen. I actually never done a Slimline Pro before, so this is my first time doing it, and I'm actually pretty impressed on how this came out. Functions really well, and well, it may need to be fixed with the length of the point, but that's no problem at all. But other than that, check that out. This is a Rhino marinara sauce acrylic that is going to be given to my good friend Jose. So Jose, if you're watching this, I have a gift. This is going to be for you, so hope you enjoy it. So, alright, if you like that video, leave a like down in the description. I had a common question come from family members of mine about my Etsy page. It will be going down in the description as well. But for now, let's take a final look of this pen. Pretty cool, Slimline Pro. But other than that, yeah, leave a like down in the description, and feel free to subscribe to my awesome pen making channel. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you then.